Dear audience, dear sir, dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is 𝗙cie𝗂𝗶𝗹. I am really happy come to hear this beautiful moment. But I am not a good speaker, but I try my best. Tell me about this something about this topic. This topic provides world grain harvested area in 1950 to 1996. Firstly, this site provides years and this site provides million hectares. 1956, the world cultivated land amount was almost 600 million hectares. After 6 years, 1954, cultivated land amount increased, and which amount was 650 million hectares, region of USSR Virgin Lands Program. Then next 6 years, 1956 to 1962, cultivated land amount fluctuated. Then next 4 years, 1960 to 1966, cultivated land amount again increase, and which amount was almost 650 million. Then 1966 to 1972, cultivated land amount fluctuated but increase. Then 1972 to 1978, cultivated land amount again increase, region of doubling of world grain price, and which amount was almost 700 million hectares. Then next 2 years, almost highest amount was cultivated land amount cultivate, and which amount was almost 750 million hectares. Next 16 years, cultivated land amount slowly reducing, region of retracement. So this line graph we can see 1950 to 1996, that's long time, and this time cultivated land amount it fluctuated, increase, but increase. Which about 1950 to 1950, cultivated land amount was 600 million hectares. Then 1996, cultivated land amount was 650 million hectares. That's all for today. Next day, see you again. Allah Hafiz.